Hey there, welcome back to Gadget Master, your go-to channel for all things innovative and cutting-edge in the world of technology. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of wearable tech with a review that's bound to captivate your attention. Brace yourselves as we unveil the revolutionary Samsung Galaxy Ring, the ultimate health tracker that fits right on your finger. Now, let's get straight to the heart of the matter. What sets the Samsung Galaxy Ring apart from the rest? Picture this, a sleek and stylish ring adorning your finger. But wait, it's not just any ordinary piece of jewelry. This tiny marvel is packed with powerful health tracking capabilities that will blow your mind. First off, let's talk about health tracking. From monitoring your activity levels to keeping tabs on your nutrition, sleep quality, and stress levels, the Galaxy Ring has got you covered. It's like having a personal wellness coach right at your fingertips, quite literally. But that's not all. Brace yourselves for a game changer. Ever wondered about your vitality score? Imagine a feature that assesses your physical and mental readiness based on various factors like sleep patterns, activity levels, and heart rate variability. Say hello to My Vitality Score, a groundbreaking addition to the Samsung Health app that will revolutionize the way you perceive your well-being. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty. The Galaxy Ring isn't just about tracking, it's about enhancing your overall health experience. With monthly cycle tracking for the ladies and seamless integration with other Galaxy devices, including the Galaxy Watch, the possibilities are endless. But hold on to your seats, folks. The excitement doesn't end there. Rumor has it that the Galaxy Ring might just surprise us with features like ECG monitoring and blood flow measurement. Talk about pushing the boundaries of innovation. Picture yourself effortlessly glancing at your ring to check your vital stats, receiving timely insights and tips throughout the day, all while exuding style and sophistication. It's not just a wearable, it's a lifestyle statement. So, are you ready to take your health journey to new heights? Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of the Samsung Galaxy Ring, right here on Gadget Master. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this exhilarating adventure into the future of wearable technology.